The future is here. It's intelligent, it's autonomous, it's the age of AI agents. These remarkable entities are transforming our world. Imagine cars navigating streets without human intervention. Picture personalized healthcare delivered by AI-powered assistants. AI agents are sophisticated computer programs designed to act independently. They perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions to achieve specific goals. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI agents are becoming integral to our daily lives. Get ready to explore a future shaped by the intelligence of AI agents. AI agents come in different flavors, each with its own strengths. Reactive agents. These operate on a stimulus-response basis, like turning a light on in darkness. Model-based agents. They create a model of their environment to make predictions, like a chess-playing AI. Goal-based agents. Driven by goals, they plan actions to achieve objectives, like a navigation app. Learning agents. They learn from experiences and improve over time, like a spam filter. At the heart of every AI agent lies a decision-making mechanism. This mechanism takes input from the environment, processes it, and outputs an action. This cycle of perception, decision, and action drives the autonomous behavior of AI agents. Understanding these types is crucial to grasping the full potential of AI agent technology. Each type offers unique capabilities that can be harnessed for various applications. The impact of AI agents is already being felt across numerous industries. Automotive self-driving cars powered by AI agents navigate roads and transport passengers safely. Healthcare AI-powered assistants diagnose diseases, recommend treatments, and assist in surgeries. Finance AI agents automate trading, detect fraud, and provide personalized financial advice. Customer service chatbots handle complex queries and provide personalized support. Manufacturing AI agents optimize production processes, monitor equipment, and improve safety. These agents work alongside human workers, enhancing overall efficiency. These are just a few examples of how AI agents are transforming industries. As AI technology advances, we can expect more innovative applications to emerge. AI agents are reshaping our world in profound ways. The hurdles to overcome challenges in AI agent development. Ethical concerns arise with any powerful technology. Bias in training data can lead to discriminatory outcomes. Privacy violations are a concern when AI agents collect personal data. Ensuring transparency and accountability in AI decision-making is crucial. Technical limitations also play a role. AI agents need to handle unexpected situations and make decisions with incomplete information. Security risks are another critical challenge. AI agents can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Developing secure and resilient AI agents is paramount. Job displacement is a concern as AI agents become more capable. Addressing these concerns and preparing the workforce for the future is essential. Overcoming these challenges requires a collaborative effort and responsible development practices. Envisioning the future advancements and trends in AI agents. The field of AI agent technology is constantly evolving. Explainable AI aims to make the reasoning behind AI actions transparent. Reinforcement learning allows AI agents to learn through trial and error. Edge computing brings AI processing power closer to the data source. AI agent collaboration is an exciting prospect. Imagine swarms of AI agents working together to solve complex problems. Personalized AI agents cater to individual needs and preferences. These advancements will fundamentally reshape our world. The future of AI agent technology is bright and full of potential. The dawn of a new era, responsible AI for a transformed world. We stand on the cusp of a new era, defined by intelligent agents. AI agents have the potential to revolutionize industries and solve pressing challenges. But with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations must be at the forefront of AI development. We must ensure these technologies promote fairness, transparency, and accountability. The future we create with AI agents is not predetermined. It's a future we must actively shape, guided by ethical principles. By embracing responsible AI development, we can harness AI's power for good. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and share it with your friends and colleagues. Our vision is to create a network of leaders and entrepreneurs that want to make an impact. Also have a look at Amazon books by Anil Nathoo for further topics on business mastery. All proceeds are donated to charity in support of cancer research, so please consider supporting this cause and paying it forward if you can. If you have a passion for artificial intelligence, then follow us on our sister blog called The AI Coach, where we delve into all things AI. Thanks for watching. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing, 1 hour at a time. Join us again on the 1 Hour Guide, and let's start making an impact together.